Buen dia, Travis here from Regenesis Permaculture Costa Rica. Today we're going to talk about chop and drop in the food forest and also the specific placement and arrangement of the materials so that the nutrients can break down and recycle faster, so we reduce clutter on the farm and it becomes more inviting, welcoming, and more beautiful for people to come and join us. It's important that all the material be flat. We do not want pieces like this where we can get entangled or that create air spaces. All the material needs to be chopped to be flat. You know, a little curve is okay, but the more this material is in contact with itself and the less air pockets there are, the faster it will break down, the faster nutrients will cycle, the faster the soil food web can activate and get it to the plants. So there's a very specific formula or process, and first we place the larger wood, the thicker stuff in contact with the soil all together so that it creates a microclimate for the microorganisms and the macroorganisms, the worms, the millipedes, the beetles, so that they can really break this down, accelerate the decomposition and the nutrient cycle and get this into the plant roots, into our fruits. On top of the thicker, bigger woody material, we place the smaller woody material. And finally, on top of that, we place the leaves and the twigs and the grass clippings. So this microclimate that we're creating is very important to the beauty and the efficiency of the farm.